Oh, you is?
Yeah,
You the owner? Okay.
And these guys are guys I sponsored that's in here with me, Chris and Jeremy, and then we got Jason Schwartner. He's out of the Austin, Texas area. TJ Black's out of Alabama, and we got Scott Wilson out of Indianapolis.
Dang, all the way out there?
Yep.
How you recruit
all over
him?
the country.
He found you or you found him?
Yeah, I built him a car.
Oh, okay.
We race all over the United States, man.
Oh, dang. Oh yeah, and the dude with the mohawk. It's a dude out there with a mohawk. He doing something.
They better bring it.
Man, he getting everything all done up, y'all. Kendall Hill, appreciate the sub, man, and the follow. And Big Donkey Lips. What kind of name is that? Well, y'all be coming up with the weirdest names I ever heard of, man. Big Donkey Lips. Now I gotta go look and see what a donkey lip look like. Man, I appreciate the tour of the shop, bus. Everything looked good. Nice to meet you. You Keith West?
Yes.
Oh, that's you? Okay. We got Keith West in the building, y'all. Building these bad mother. Ooh. And he got all the tools to do it. Batteries, glue, brake cleaner, tires, foam, more glue, X Factor. Oh, this tire prep.
Yep.
What's this? Oh, they got two different preps. Okay, well they got everything. Alright. Oh, this him right here. This the one I'm talking about, man. Chris running them things, man. I'm going.
This is a slow guy.
I'm going for him too. I'm going for old Chris. Got the dragon wagon here. Oh yeah. Good looking out, Twisted Soul. Good looking out. I ain't got number 2 cars left, man. Golly, I'm slacking on my car again. They said they ready. Look out, Keith. This is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Lookout Racing. I'll be on Twitch too. I'm live streaming the whole event. So if you got anybody that missing out and they want to see the people that's in Indianapolis, they family want to make sure he here or whatever, or he need to look, you can let them all know. I'm live streaming. It's going down. Appreciate it, mister.
Oh, okay. He sponsors all of those races.
We got Team Thundercock in the building. Man, look out. They done brought their stuff on the trailer, man. What you think about that, man?
What's up, Doc?
They on the trailer, man. Hey, man, it's off the trailer, man. You got no shakedowns or nothing. No shakedown, just straight off the trailer. Straight off the trailer.
Ain't nothing in it. That's a display car.
All them displays.
There's nothing under it. It's just a piece of plastic holding the wheels. That's if you want to take and put it in your office. You have to go put your whole real car.
Twisted Soul said that's a trailer queen.
Okay.
Got the trailer queen over here, y'all.
But you don't have to.
And it got a trailer hitch on it. That player, ain't it? Let's go over here and mess with somebody else. Look out. How y'all doing over here?
Pretty good.
Y'all look like y'all busy.
All right, guys, good.
Y'all trying to get it done?
Folks, we need you
Okay.
drivers.
I'm
Drivers,
just
start
looking.
making your way forward, please. Drivers, start making your
Them
way
fries
forward. If you're
good?
in line at Legends, I totally understand. I've been letting the cat out the bag a little bit,
Y'all remember that game?
about what to look
Forgot
for,
about
what
that
to
game.
expect.
Hey, y'all.
You guys done a really good job of testing.
Nah, I
two
just
live
seen them playing that little
programs.
game. I was like, I kind of remember that little game they were playing. Oh, you don't know nothing about that? Yeah, you remember the one where you get the hand up and down? You know what game it is, don't you? See, he know. He know. Oh, let me see. Oh, patty cake. That's what it was. Patty cake. Yeah, I couldn't remember the name. My people said they remember that's what it was. Golden State in the building, y'all. They talking about patty cake. He remember too. He remember too. He feel like playing now. Go on, man. I told you I don't feel like playing with you, man. Look out. How you doing, mister?
Doing good.
You look like you been working for Summit for a while, man. What position you got?
Sales.
Yeah, you be selling stuff? You a good salesman? Cause I've been thinking about buying something.
Head right inside.
I'm gonna look for you. See if you can sell me something, man. I know a good way you can sell me something. All you gotta do is tell me I'm getting a discount and you got me. Just say, yeah, man, I'm gonna let you use my Summit.
I have a 78 Malibu clear body up here, Proline 78 Malibu. If anybody would like to purchase, been looking for this body.
What?
It's clear, wrapped in a package. Come see us up here at the front. All right, guys. So drivers meetings, drivers. You guys
they
have
got
done
a clear Malibu.
really good job doing testing too. I really want questions. So if you guys want to ask me questions, it's best. But I'm gonna go through a few things. If you guys can hear me, we're gonna go ahead and get this drivers meeting started. After the driver meeting is over with, we need all of our Pro Street / Street Outlaw guys to stay here for your chip draw. All right? I need Donnie Johnson. If he's here. It's time for that as well, Mr. Donnie Johnson. I want to officially welcome everybody out. My name is Michael Mercadell. I'm the president and founder of the RCDRL. This thing started in 2013. I'm also the janitor, right? So I'm going to be the last one to leave. I'm going to ask you guys to please pick up after yourselves. This parking lot was really clean. The Summit guys have done a really good job of preparing the parking lot itself. Grass is short. Everything is great. I want to thank the Summit guys for having us out here. But let's do our part and pick up after ourselves. Cigarette butts, the whole 9 yards. Today is a special day, and call me crazy, but we came out here today to race on November 13th, which is my wife's birthday. Okay. She's also one of 2 of your stat girls. All right, so we're going to wish Kelly Mercadell a very happy birthday. Stand up, young lady. 29 and all. 3 beautiful kids, 3 beautiful grandchildren later. We have a little special something from Donnie Johnson. There he is right there. We got cupcakes up until they're gone. I think he brought in 48 cupcakes. Kelly gets the first one. Tessa gets the second one. They want to throw me one on the table. All right. So I wanted to officially say that. Thank you, honey, for having us all out here at your party. It's a great party, Kel.